Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners. I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where I was recently called in to clean this tennis court. It's a hardcourt, acrylic paint over asphalt or concrete base. This is what I found. What do you think caused this? What's going on here? Well, what's going on here is this. Sometime in the recent past, somebody tried to clean this court with a power washer. They're just trying to blast away the algae that was discoloring and making this court slippery. The problem with this approach is this. It made it temporarily look clean, but it wasn't actually clean because the mold and algae that was in the little pores of the paint grew back in the exact patterns that the power washer had been swept in. These are the stroke patterns of the power washer. So if it had been cleaned, if it was really clean, this wouldn't have grown back in this way. Secondly, the actually bigger problem is if we look closely at the paint on the surface of the tennis court, we can see that it is damaged. It's gouged right up. And with my hands, I could run my fingers over this and feel how rough this paint is. It's because this stuff isn't made to withstand the pressure that it's going to see with a power washer. So just a reminder that when we're cleaning big, expensive surfaces, it's important to do it in the most appropriate manner available. And with this tennis court, that's definitely a chemical solution. This is a chemical process, which I've described elsewhere. I'll put a little link up in the corner here for that video. But I cleaned this court as well as could be, as gently as could be. I got it clean, but cleaning it is not going to magically fix this paint that's been damaged by the power washing. If you got a tennis court on Cape Cod that you want cleaned, please give me a shout. I'm Nate, Outside Cleaners, 508-209-1972. Thank you. The hell? The hell happened to my...